today's tutorial is this gorgeous chocolate explosion box. I'm going to show you how to create this from start to finish. Be sure to watch until the end to see how cool this looks once opened. Here I have all of the chocolate that I'm going to be using, along with these adorable heart cutouts, my box, this pop dot tape. I'm also going to be using glue dots in order to put all my chocolate onto my box. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and paint my heart cutouts and immediately add glitter to them. What this will do is make sure that the glitter sticks, and I'll add Mod Podge afterwards. Now I'm just adding the Mod Podge to seal that glitter in. Okay, now I'm just going to set that to the side and open up all of my chocolate. Now I'm just using my razor to cut the box open. I'm going to cut all 4 corners. You should end up with something like this. This step is optional, but I grabbed some cardstock in order to cut out a heart because I did want it to be a heart shape underneath the chocolate that I put on the bottom of the box. First layer of chocolate, I'm using the Ferrero Rocher, and I'm simply adding the glue dots on the bottom and placing them to my liking. The next layer I'm going to do is the Kit Kat bars, and I'm just placing them next to each other, making sure that they're super close, while also making sure that I press down with each one to make sure that it's secure. I'm going to repeat the same step with the next layer of chocolate. Again, making sure that everything is close together and that I press down with each placement. The last layer of chocolate is the Hershey's Kisses, and I'm just going to put them along the edges of each corner of the box. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a double tap. Also, comment below. Let me know what state you're watching from. Alright, so once all of your chocolates are in place, you should have something like this. Now it's time to make the box look pretty. I'm cutting my pop tape into little pieces so that I can be able to place them behind my hearts in order to have a 3D effect once I place them on the box. And you'll see what I mean later. Now I'm just placing the pop tape on the back, and I'm only using 3 pieces because you don't need a lot. Placing it directly in the center. This is the end result. I love how this turned out. I also added butterflies to my design, and I'm just in love with it. Here is the 360 view all the way around. Now for the best part, let's see how this baby looks once it's opened. I mean, can it get any better than this? This is like chocolate heaven. I literally love this. It's the perfect gift for Valentine's Day or even as a just because. If you would love to see more creative videos like this one, be sure that you're subscribing. That way you're always in the loop to be notified whenever a video like this one drops. Check out our giant ring pop tutorial for another Valentine's Day DIY.